Finger licking good? So good, they change it. See, I'm old school, so I'm used to it's finger licking good. Let me put some salt in this water. I feel like I need to have that mango like right now so I know how it tastes. Guys, my belly's getting heavier and heavier. I feel like I'm about to pop any day now. Like seriously pop. But I'm not ready. So I better not. I could eat a leg right now and then another piece when I'm eating the yam. But guess what? If I eat a leg now, I won't be able to eat anymore for the rest of the night because I'm already having heartburn. But I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. I've not been eating as much as I normally do. I'm using this one and not that one. I'm not seeing what's his name. Neil in a bit. He has not been on the. You keep saying that. How do I minimize this thing here? Hmm? Thanks for joining us. We're just making fried chicken with dumpling yam, sweet potato. I think we may fry down the chicken as well. We can steam it down a little bit. Yeah, I changed it. No, I'm minimizing it. Okay. Okay. Are you just cooking and eating, right? You're just doing a whole thing over there. This is what it's about, babe. Not out loud, but silently. This is what we need to be sending to them. So do you see that baby's cooking and eating? Yeah, I guess he's hungry. That's what happens when you're frying chicken. You always end up eating more than you should. Who is on? Is it Nikki or Royalty? Hmm? So yeah, that